This is how to ungate Nike in 2026 on Amazon. One thing before we start. If you're restricted, if it doesn't even let you upload Invoice, there's really nothing that you are going to be able to do about it, okay? You just need to hit it up. You're not going to be able to actually get approval to sell Nike right now. However, the strategy that I'm going to show you is going to work if you can actually submit an invoice. There's no other way around it, okay? Now, if you do not know me, my name is Chris Mangunza. I release videos here to help you with your Amazon business. So if you're new, you should subscribe. If you want more of my help to scale your business, I have a mentorship program. Link in the description if you actually want to join, okay? Now, the website that we're going to use is soccer.com, okay? It's not soccer, by the way, it's football, all right? But I'll let it slide this time. So you're gonna go to soccer.com and really simple, you're going to go to their product, you're going to go to the sale. Here we go. And you are going to sort products by how expensive they are, which right here, it's not letting us do it. Here we go. Let's just go on no, that's not good. We want to find a sale, like something like apparel, right? And look for a specific product or just look for Nike in the search bar. I think that would be actually be better for what we're trying to do here. Here we go. Now, the first ever account on which I ungated Nike, I used these socks. It was either these or like some other socks, soccer socks that were similar. But like, you're just going to go into this right there, price low to high, right? You're going to sort this, and you're going to get the cheapest Nike products right here. And really simple. What you're going to do next is you're going to go to Amazon.com and you're going to look for Nike, not just Nike, but like the name of the product that's right here. The Nike Women Academy jersey. If you find it now, chances that you find it are really slim. So we're going to go to the Nike swoosh headband, right? Nike swoosh headband. Boom, here we go. And we're going to be able to actually, like, we just want to make sure that, here we go. So that's the one, but we need another color though, which is probably on this listing. You just want to look for the product on Amazon and find the same product. So you know you can actually buy the product. Here we go. So we have the specific color right there. Perfect. Okay. So now one thing that you will notice is that you're not going to make a profit. So if we actually check, we get it for $6.99, $6.29 if you get the Gold Club subscription, which you should if you want to eventually source over there, right? So we're going to lose a little bit of money. More importantly, you're gonna need more than likely 100 units to actually get ungated, right? So that's a product that you can use. You're gonna lose $1, like 53 cents, $6.29, my bad. You're gonna use, yeah, you're gonna lose 82 cents per unit. So it's gonna cost you $82 to actually get ungated on Nike, right? It's going to request you 100 units. The great thing is that soccer.com is actually going to get you an invoice. So I'll be 100% honest with you. If you want to, you can try to get ungated using, I don't know, like Dick's Sporting Good, whatever. You're not going to get a real invoice. The great thing with soccer.com is that you can actually request an invoice. What you're going to do once you've placed your order is that you're going to call these people. You're going to say, hey, can I get an invoice for the last order that I placed? You're going to call them, right? If you're a weirdo, just send an email, but it's faster if you actually call them. They are going to send you an email with your invoice, okay? It's as simple as that. So find a cheap product. If this product is not available anymore, if you cannot get 100 units, by the way, you can split it in between multiple products. It's fine. If you have at least 100 Nike products on your invoice, that's going to be fine. Okay, so it's as simple as that. Just find the cheapest product you can. To be honest, maybe this product would work. Now, I'll tell you, if you actually want to look into it, maybe you can just, you can just go through every single product, spend 3 hours, and then find one product that's actually profitable. You could. I think this is borderline profitable. I think I remember this product, so you could try. Or if you don't want to do that and just want approval because you have a lot of Nike products on the back end, you're willing to lose $80 just to get the approval, just do that, bro. Like, just pay the $80, pay the tax to get ungated, and just get approval and make profit on the back end. That's how it is with ungating. Okay, so hopefully this video was helpful. I'll see you in the next one.